explanation.
Thank you very much. My name is Engineer Robert Hangusi. I work as the project manager, Oreo Mini Hydropower Project at UECCC. And I welcome the Right Honorable Deputy Speaker, the Honorable Minister of Energy, and all sector ministers, His Excellency the Ambassador, and all members of Parliament. You are all welcome. This is the Oreo Mini Hydro Power Project physical model. We want to depict what the project will look like. This project depends on the water flowing in a river. So what we see here is an existing river. So we shall have an intake area up there and draw the water, build that water to a reasonable head as per the design, and then we shall allow it come into the sedimentation tank. Because we know water has sediments, we don't want to destroy our equipments downstream. We only take about 70%. We need to keep the hydrological flow, maintain the environment, because we have to observe the approval conditions of NEMA. And one of the approval conditions in the environmental impact assessment report is for us to keep life going on and leaving the hydrological flow in the river. So the 70% will come here. After having our sedimentation happening here, we have the open channel, and then we have another tank over here, basically for second sedimentation, and then the rest of the water will run through the penstock. The penstock is 0.8 meter diameter, made of steel, that directs the water into the powerhouse. We have 2 units in the powerhouse with a horizontal axis cross flow turbine just here at the back. Osbag is going to deliver this. They are designing, they are manufacturing, they will deliver, install, and commission these plants. I don't know whether Marcus, do you want to say something here?
Okay, thank you very much about this. So this is the turbine which is going to be installed at the site. That means the penstock is connected to this piece and brings the water to the turbine. The water goes through the runner and goes out of the draft tube back to the river again. That means you have a minimum footprint of the hydropower plant, and you bring back the same water again to the river.
Okay, thank you. So after generating power, the water goes back to the river. So we are not wasting any water. You can actually have another plant, a hydro mini plant downstream, and they have several of them. Yes. Yes, because right now we are doing the civil works. So once the civil works have been completed, we shall have the transmission lines with the wires, of course, to this community, which is the community of Mitooma, and then Mitooma will be fully lit.
All right. Right, Honorable Speaker, again, in the interest of time, can I ask that we take the anthems in reverse order from where we are standing? And then immediately after the anthems, we'll just go for a quick photo opportunity, and then we can